Hello to all. Okay, so today we will study about the parts of syringe and needle, parts of IV set, parts of IV stand, and parts of cannula. Okay, some students request me to upload it urgently, that's why I'm uploading it today. Okay, so let's start the parts of syringe and needles. Okay, so let me show you a pic. Okay, let's see the parts of the syringe. Okay, syringe and needle. Okay, so you can see this part from, I will start with the syringe. Okay, so needle, I will start with the needle. So this portion at the the top portion is called bevel. Okay, bevel, and this long portion is called shaft of needle. This portion is called needle hub. This portion behind the needle hub is called needle adapter. Now the syringe comes, the parts of syringe comes. So the syringe, now the whole syringe, this part is called barrel. Okay, this part is called barrel, and this part, which we push it like that, na, so this part is called plunger. Okay, plunger. So barrel, this part is plunger, and this part, here we rest our thumb like this, na, like this we press. So this part is called thumb rest. Okay, thumb rest. Okay, so this part is called barrel, and here we have, a scale, right? A scale which helps us to, how to know the amount of drug we have to inject to a patient. Okay, so this is bevel, this is shaft, this is hub, this is needle adapter, this portion is the needle barrel, and this portion is the plunger, this portion is the thumb rest. Okay, and this portion, this is the protective cover which covers the needles here. Okay, I hope it's clear. So let's see the explanation of one by one. Okay, here I have wrote all the points: needle adapter, barrel, scale, plunger, and thumb rest. And for needle, it is protective cover, bevel, shaft of needle, and needle hub. Okay, so the needle adapter, okay, allow the needle to be attached to the syringe. When you will study all the part, you will take a take a diagram first, look at a diagram, then look at my description. Okay, so needle adapter allow the needle to be attached to the syringe. Okay, barrel, it is a tube which stored the liquid or medicine. Plunger, it is a pistol type rod, helps to push the medicine into the body or load medicine from ampoule or vial. The spelling of vial is wrong, it's VIAL. Okay, vial. Now the thumb rest, a finger grip for receiving or retaining the giving or putting the liquid or medicine. Okay, giving or receiving the medicine. Now protective cover, it is a part of needle. Okay, part of needle. Protective cover, it protects the needle from getting contaminated. Bevel, an angled surface on needle. Okay, it is an angled surface on needle, the top portion of the needle responsible for making a sharp tip. Shaft, long slender stem of needle. Hub, one side of end of the needle, and this part attached to the syringe. Okay, you will just see, keep a diagram beside you and then see my lecture, see my explanation. It will make you understand all the topics clearly. So this is the parts of syringe, needle. Okay, thank you.